143, kiwi bird. Wow! Who are you?
I'm a kiwi bird. We are a special bird on Earth.
Where do you live?
Kiwi birds live in New Zealand from Australia. We like forests and dense woodlands.
What do kiwi birds eat?
Kiwi birds eat insects, spiders, and fruits. We are omnivorous birds of the wild.
Can you lay eggs?
Oh yes, kiwi birds do have eggs. Our eggs are large as a human palm.
Why can't you flap your wings?
Our wingspan is over 5 centimeters long. And that is why we do not need to fly.
Who are your enemies?
Stoats, dogs, pigs, and rats can hunt us. They can also eat our eggs and chicks.
Do you live alone?
Right, kiwi birds are the ones that live alone. We always walk by ourselves.
You can see in the dark.
Kiwi birds are nocturnal, so we can walk in the dark. They mark their territory by making loud calls. I am so hungry. Goodbye.
Goodbye, kiwi bird.
Little fox.